How to buy Grok 3 token. So this token came under the symbol of Grok. Now before it starts, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply goes below. Find your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now before going on buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following their updates about this token. Make sure to check their Telegram channel too. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created just 8 hours ago and increased by 260% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 100%. That's mean your investment in the safe place. This token trending number 1 on Solana's action right now. To be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Just copy the token address from here, as you can see, and now open your Phantom wallet for that and click on swap here and make sure that you have enough Solana in your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address. So as you can see, this is our token. Click on it and here type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive. So this is it. Now after that, select the provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here and click on swap. After that, you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So if you face an issue, go back to this page and switch the slippage from here or custom it, because the most of the issues came from the slippage, and after that you can be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy Grok token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.